This is Debbie Yeadon's move-out inspection for 116 Water Fountain Way. Here I come. Unit 104.
I said I could have cleaned better than this. Sick, sick I could have. I could.
I want one of those so bad.
This much, huh?
I'm here. Not in the budget.
Well, thank gosh I can deduct it from a work expense.
Is it like a camera?
It's a video.
Well, it's the same thing you bought from Miss Reverend Lundy.
Oh, that's what
It's
I
an
bought?
iPad.
Oh, I had the iPad, what, 2? What do you call
Yes.
it? We didn't do too bad so far, have we?
No, I just have to die because I don't have my photos here with me from when you guys moved in because I was on a different computer for Val and Phil.
Yeah, yeah. I think they wiped it. They just didn't do it. I knocked on the door because I want them to come and see the area. She says, I told her, I said, that area. She says, you know, we put some solution, could you scrub it? I says, why am I doing what I'm doing? So you got all the remotes? 3
This door is
remotes.
off the hinges. We just made a comment that you said the door was off the hinges.
Yeah, that one. When did that light go off?
Today?
No, that's... Should have really wash it.
It wasn't making that noise.
Hmm?
It didn't make that noise.
Oh, I will call my mind and go. Keep Rhonda company, or did Rhonda leave? Yeah. She was telling me to keep her company, we'll talk with her. She out there by herself.
This is yours, bro. This was what they put for you to send back in the box.
Yeah, I know. Thank you for keeping up with me. Yeah, I told you Verizon. As soon as we can get things done that one all the way up the road.
How your job?
With lots of, yeah, I'll talk we'll get with her later. That never opened like that. This is the one we had to do, we had to pull the push out.
Okay.
There you go.
So property manager, is that your only job or second job?
Enough. She laughed, cause see, I know she got over 30-something homes.
Oh, that is a lot.